So hello everyone. This is going to be my project for Indian economy and policy for term three, and my project is going to be about Tejas aircraft. And what is Tejas? It is a symbol of Indian self-reliance in fighter jets. Previously, India was just importing jets from foreign, like superior, technologically advanced nations like France and Russia. But now we have taken the initiative to make and manufacture uh, aircrafts on our own in collaboration with HAL. So let's first. Tejas program embodies the concept of internal balancing, and its story first begins in 1970s with India's initial efforts to develop a homegrown fighter jet. The Aeronautical Development Agency in the 1980s, that marked a turning point, and it helped us spawn the Tejas program, which signifies a slow and steady march towards achieving self-reliance in our nation's air defense. The Tejas Mark 1 name represents a significant leap forward. This advanced variant boasts air-to-air refueling capabilities wherein you attach a hose and you refuel the flight mid-air, and it extends its reach with beyond visual range missiles, possessing enemy radar jamming technology. These advancements elevate the Tejas Mark 1 to the status of a 4 plus generation fighter jet, which is a very valuable asset to the Indian Air Force. And here we discuss the logic of internal balancing. So the Tejas program involves the concept of internal balancing, wherein you are self-sufficient and depend on just yourself and try to manufacture weapons and various like tanks and aircraft by yourself. So, just like India produced a robust domestic defense base through its nuclear and space programs, they just strengthens our positions for against enemies like prospective enemies like China and Pakistan. So, this helps us to safeguard our national interests. So, promoting indigenous defense production requires a concerted effort. While challenges do exist, fostering trust between the Indian Air Force and domestic capabilities is very crucial. Collaboration between the armed services and the defense industry, as exemplified by the Tejas program, paves the way for a stronger, self-reliant India. So, in conclusion, the Tejas program is a beacon of Indian ingenuity. It signifies not just a fighter jet, but a nation's unwavering commitment to self-sufficiency and safeguarding its skies. Thank you.